வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Now we are discussing about relaxation technique, or we can call it as a stress managing technique also. Actually, relaxation is a very powerful stress management technique in which you can learn to relax consciously. Relaxation technique is a systematic method of inducing complete physical, mental, and emotional relaxation. It is a state of dynamic sleep. In Ashtanga Yoga of Patanjali Maharishi, there is a state called Pratyahara. Relaxation is also one aspect of Pratyahara, where the mind is disconnected from all the sensory channels to invade direction is called Pratyahara. It is a method of systematic rotation of consciousness in the body itself. When we are practicing relaxation, the consciousness is in a state between waking and sleep. This technique is also enables to receive intuitions from unconscious mind. These intuitions enable us to solve all of our problems in our life. Modern psychology enumerates 3 types of tensions. One, muscular tension, second one, mental tension, and the third one is emotional tension. Through a systematic practice of this technique, the stress can be progressively released. It is not possible to release all the tensions through an ordinary sleep. Sleep is not regarded as relaxation. A systematic practice of relaxation technique, one can tranquilize the entire emotional structure of mind and thereby release all the stresses. The state of relaxation is reached by turning our mind inwards and away from outer experiences, and the consciousness can be separated from external awareness and also from sleep. It is a state of mind between wakefulness and dream. You are operating the deeper phases of your mind. Your subconscious and unconscious levels of mind can open through relaxation technique. It is a state of trance of awareness. It is a state between wake and dream by your intellectual mind when it is operating and create genius, and it can be restored. This simple practice has a capacity to penetrate into the depths of the human mind. The subconscious mind is a very obedient disciple, and it immediately carries out the orders that we put into it. Once you open the doors of the deeper mind, then you are in the route of creativity. The person or the teacher who is guiding you in relaxation technique, it is possible to open the doors of your personality. Then the stress is responsible for all the agonies of our modern life. So you can be used it as a stress releasing purpose also that can be done by the power of Sankalpa made during relaxation. The purpose of Sankalpa is to influence and transform the whole life pattern. Our life is something like a motor car. If you don't handle it properly, you will have to get an accident. But if you are a good driver, you know how to handle it, then you can avoid an accident. In relaxation, just keep your mind moving from point to point and be aware of every experience while doing relaxation. While practicing, it is important to make yourself peaceful. But even if your mind is full of anxiety, worry, or disturbed, it does not matter. Actually, the important thing is to simply follow the instructions of the teacher. And the mind becomes one-pointed, and then slowly the senses are disconnected. When it is happened, when the conscious is operating through one sensory channel, that is ear or hearing, during the concentration, you know you are concentrating, but you are in the state of complete relaxation. When the mind is disassociated from sensory channels, then it becomes very powerful. Then if you want to transform your life pattern, you can do it by power of Sankalpa made in this transformed stage, in this trance stage. It is very important to follow the instructions of the instructor or teacher given you while doing relaxation. Then only you can able to transform your life, and may the Guru and Divine bless you to know more about the power of relaxation. And now I am concluding this small information. Thank you. வாழ்க வளமுடன். வாழ்க வளமுடன். குருவே துணை.